Hello, my friends. I am your Tracy's Total Wellness Girl with a special Wise and Well Women Wellness Wednesday series this month. We are diving into how to tap more into your wellness and into your wisdom so you can truly live the life that you love from joy and from true abundance. The theme I want to talk about today is what we will be stepping into in our Wise and Well workshop that's completely free. And the first one is all around leadership. What it is to step in to your powerful, most authentic, unapologetic leader. Whether you run a business or whether you just want to help to create that container in your family, in your community, or in the work you do, stepping into leadership can help you to elevate not only your own purpose, but help others to step into their divine light. So a great tool to be able to do that is stepping into journaling, sacred journaling, setting powerful intentions and goal setting. And so today, my Wellness Wednesday tip is, how are you stepping into your goals? Are they scattered? Do you have a million things on your to-do list? Does your calendar look crazy? How can you create that sacred container with what you want and see for yourself each and every month? And what will that look like in the end when you get it? Like, what does that come together as in fruition? So we're going to be exploring a lot about creating containers. And one way to do that is in journal work and in goal setting work, writing it down, looking out at your year, at your month, and what are those goals you have? And then adding in that final frosting on the cupcake is, how do you want to feel? In our leadership workshop, we're going to be exploring together in container this theme of leadership. We're going to have 4 amazing women sharing their stories of challenges, successes, raw, vulnerable work, true, astonishing successes and celebrations. Come together for it live or listen to the recording if you're not able to join us. It is going to be on February 9th from 1 to 2:30 p.m. Eastern in our sacred virtual circle space. This is completely free. If you're a woman that wants to step into more empowered leadership, we would love to have you at our Wise and Well Women Workshop series. I'm Tracy with your Wellness Wednesday and how journaling helps you step into leadership. Be well.